Reading practice number 7. Dear Mr. Judge, it is my genuine pleasure to write you that on Thursday, May 11, our admissions committee accepted your application to become a season member of the Madison Country Club, period. As you may know, our season begins on May 30 and ends on Labor Day. Paragraph. The dues for the coming year are $200, period. In addition, you must pay a federal tax of $40, period. Please mail your check for $240 in the envelope that is enclosed. Paragraph. We are delighted to have you as a member, Mr. Judge, period. Sincerely yours,